knows how to treat a woman. Hence they're not together anymore.
I have a question.
Mommy's been drinking.
And I thought, surely not. But there's a purple jellyfish. Matt is actually going out tonight, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just life is definitely getting easier.
And she wants another one.
Let's quickly show you a bit of an update. Basically, we had a few things slow us down.
You do that.
Yeah, your head. Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. Oh, that's actually where we got married, isn't it, Dar?
Yeah.
In the background. We got married over there. Today we're off out for the day and we're going to Southend in Essex, also known as Southend. It's like an adventure island, so there's rides there, there's a little beach, there's like cotton candy and games and stuff, and the kids just love it. But it's normally very busy. But today is an inset day at their school, so they've got the day off, but loads of other schools are at school today, so it should be a bit less busy. So we were like, today's the day to go. It's beautiful outside. Is it like 24 and sunny?
Yeah.
We've got so much sun cream on. I'll take you with us, but then when we get home I will give you a little update on how the bathroom is progressing and Caleb's bedroom as well. So we were just talking about Southend, and it's a place that Matt grew up going to when he was a little boy.
Interesting story. My mum and dad actually went on their honeymoon there.
Did they?
Yeah, he knows how to treat a woman. Hence they're not together anymore.
Stop it. That is not why. But because they lived in like the East End of London, didn't they?
Yeah.
East End?
Yeah.
Is that right? And so they went to the beach for their honeymoon.
Oh,
That's actually
who needs
really
Bali
cute. That
when
is
you can
actually
go to
so
Southend?
nice. Obviously this was a very long time ago. Now people go like exotic.
Yeah.
But that was probably like really lovely. Let's go. We're just in the queue waiting to get in, but it's very exciting because this time Jackson is 100 centimeters, aren't you? You can go on most of the rides now. Yeah, it's exciting.
Mommy's been drinking.
It's hard to show the camera how bad it is.
Hold the camera straight.
I haven't
Whoa. Look at
It's
this.
one of these houses. Ow!
Is it good?
I'm trying to go upstairs.
Come on, you lot.
I did it.
Oh my gosh, Jackson,
Joking.
that's really steep. Whoa.
Go on, Jax. Build a new house like this.
Yeah.
Jackson's hot dog. We're having a pit stop.
Remember you said Peppa Pig try not to laugh?
Look guys, look.
Jackson doesn't even flinch.
This one is a proper roller coaster. What's it called? The green scream. Green scream, okay. Alright, you ready? You see the sea?
Plenty of songs to choose from. We got plenty of rooms, just pick one. We got
Katie the cat is safe. Oh, it's like your baby wearing her.
never again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night.
We've been on a million rides and the kids had the best time. As I said, it was the first time that Jackson could actually go on the rides with them and he just loved it. I think he loved it more than anyone actually. Fraser came off of one roller coaster and he was like, oh, it's just not for me. But he actually gets travel sick, so I'm not surprised.
And we found a jellyfish.
And I thought, surely not. But there's a purple jellyfish. Hopefully you can see that. It's so sunny. But be very careful where we walk now, don't
Oh my
we?
god, what is that?
So you can see it's a beautiful day. So now we're just gonna paddle with the boys. They're looking for shells. They're collecting them in a bucket and they're looking for crabs as well. And just like that, it is 5 p.m. and we've spent the entire day at the beach. We've had so much fun. We actually ran into one of Caleb's school friends, so they played together and that was really nice. But now we're just gonna go back and I've got leftovers for dinner. Thankfully, if you haven't seen, I made a meal prep video. That was Monday night's video, so you can go and watch that. But I meal prepped for the whole week, feeling super organized, so it's really nice. We can just go home, microwave some lasagna and have that. And then Matt is actually going out tonight, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
That's so nice. You can see friends again. So he's meeting up with someone he used to work with.
I've got a friend.
What's that?
I've got a friend.
You have a friend. So you're going for an Indian, is that right?
Wagamamas.
Oh, Wagamama. So he's doing that. So it's just me and the boys, but we do have to kind of have an early night because it's back to school tomorrow. Anyway, it was a really nice end to the half term and we should definitely make more of going to the coast. Where we live, we're like half an hour from the coast, but then also half an hour to London. So it's like a really nice location. But sometimes it can, like with traffic, take an hour to get to the beach. And when the boys were really little, an hour in the car was a bit like, like I have to stop and feed someone or change someone.
That was just me.
And now, like, it's just, life is definitely getting easier. And when we went today, all I had was my handbag. Like, we didn't have a buggy, we didn't have like a million things. So yeah, it's actually quite nice. But anyway,
and she
off
wants
we
another
go.
one.
I would actually go back to the start. But Matt, I'm just working on a fur baby now. Aren't I? I just said to Matt, what was that noise that he made? That was the ship sailing. That was the ship sailing.
No, the ship had sailed.
We have a danger napper.
All gonna be my fault.
Oh no, Jackson, stay with us.
Stay with us.
Oh.
Oh, Bob.
We're home and we managed to do the impossible and keep Jackson awake the whole way. We were like giving him crisps and we were like singing and like everything to just keep him awake so that he'll go down tonight. But he is so tired, so I'm just gonna get some food into them and then give them a bath. I've just put on Raya for them to watch while they eat as well to like keep him awake. I love that film so much. If you haven't seen it, it's a real like girl power Disney movie and I really like it. I love to like get the boys to watch any like kind of girl power movie, or I also like to read them books like that as well because I think it's good for them to know that women can do it all and be ninjas and save the world, you know. So anyway, I'm just gonna make dinner. Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Yeah, it's coming, it's nearly ready, Bob. So the kids now have dinner, so they're happy. So while they're eating, I thought I would just quickly show you a bit of an update of Caleb's bedroom and the Jack and Jill bathroom. It hasn't changed loads since the last update 3 weeks ago. Basically, we had a few things slow us down. When they pulled back the floor in the bathroom, the joists underneath were like a bit loose. They had holes in them and they were not supportive. So they had to replace all of that. So it's like added on time to everything. But I have got a few updates. The door is now in as well and the vanity unit has arrived. So I'll show you what that looks like. I love the color of it. So as you walk into Caleb's bedroom, you will see it is nowhere near done. We're hoping that the plastering is gonna happen very soon. Oh, actually the shutters are in, so that's something new. Yeah, so at least all the boys now have blinds or shutters before summer. And then this is probably the biggest change. The door is now in. So this is obviously Caleb's bedroom. So you'll walk in. And then this is the bathroom. It has got a floor now. All the electrics and stuff that is unseen is all done. The shower tray is in. This is where their vanity is going to go. You can see the electrics have been run for the mirrors, which will be lit up. And then he started to, I mean, whatever this is, plasterboard stuff. So yeah, it is definitely coming together. That's their shower. And then that is the door to Fraser's bedroom. So you can kind of see how it's gonna work. But if I take you into the garage, this is quite exciting. This is the vanity unit for the boys' new bathroom. And I'm so in love with the color that we went for and the quality of it as well. We had this made by someone called Harvey George Furniture because we couldn't find anything that was the perfect size and fit. So they made it, and it's just beautifully, beautifully made. It's all like soft close. There is tons of storage. So if they want products in there when they're older, they can, but then I can put toilet roll, towels, everything. And then we went for a white worktop with 2 sinks, like one for each boy. And then we went for these knurled, I think it's called knurled handles. And the paint color is called James, and it's from the Little Green Paint Company. And I'm just so pleased. I just think it's gonna look great. And then we do also have like a matching towel thing holder, but it's all wrapped up. I just unwrapped this one to show you guys, but yes, anyway, it's exciting. You can kind of like get a feel for it. And of course I have my home Instagram account, Emily Norris Home, so if you want to like see updates over there, if you're into like renovation and housey stuff, you can check me out there as well. Daddy's off. Have a lovely night. Don't miss me.
See ya.
Right, so this is the little ones set up for tonight. So Caleb and Jackson have been sharing pretty much because Caleb's room is just, you can't live in that. So I'm gonna put these 2 to bed. And the books that we're gonna have tonight are Shark's Big Surprise. This is one of Jackson's favorite. And Max and Zam, which is all about friendship. Everyone hid from him. It's not fair, he thought sadly. No one wants to play with me. How many teddies do you actually sleep with? There's
1,
no room for you.
2, 3, 4, 5, no, 7, 6, 7.
Finally on the couch. It is about 9:20 now. All the kids are in bed and I just did a quick 20-minute speed clean to just sort a few things out. Matt's still out with his friend, but now I'm just gonna put something on the TV. I think I'm gonna watch Friends. I've started re-watching it after watching the reunion, so I think I'm just gonna stick that on, and it's nice and easy like watching to have on in the background. And then I'm going to do a few things on my laptop, including some budgeting, which is really exciting. But I'm just gonna go through and just like look at my budget. Actually, if you guys would be interested in seeing like a video about how I kind of like plan out my finances and stuff, let me know if you'd be interested in that. I feel like it's so important to get a handle on that and like keep track of things. I've always been like super frugal when I need to be, especially when I was young. So yeah, if you're interested in that, because I think some people, you don't really think about it, but every now and then I'll just go through, have a look. Like there's always subscriptions on my phone that I don't even need anymore, and just little things like that. It's just good to like have a little look every now and then. And now that the world is like opening back up, we're definitely doing more, we're definitely gonna be spending more, do you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'll just end the vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know there was like a lot of like beach and stuff, more than I was expecting, because I didn't know it would be like an entire day thing, but we just got carried away, which was actually really lovely. And we've had the nicest half term, and I really hope you guys have as well, and that the weather's improving wherever you are, and that everything else is improving as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Hello, camera. Hello. Beep, beep.
Look at those hedges.
Catch him!
What was I gonna say again? Oh yeah.
You love me. See ya.
Oh, pointy teeth. Pardon you.